Let's walk through the Data Attack Surface Manager integration with Qualys. First, a brief overview of the integration. So we'll take a quick look at what that looks like. So we're just looking at the main dashboard here. This is an environment with 2 hosts in the attack surface. And we can see here the CVE description, the average CVE score for all the CVEs on this host right here. And this is the risk score calculated by Attack Surface Manager that factors in all of the risks that that host and user represent. So this is where we pull the information in. We'll now move over to Qualys and take a look at how that integration works. So what happens when a host is detected by Data Attack Surface Manager? We check to see if that host is an asset in Qualys. If it isn't and needs to be added to the subscription, then that's a step that we go ahead and automate. So there's no steps needed for that. So we'll automate the subscription getting updated. And we also create an asset group specifically for machines that touch data. So we'll take a look here. So we've got a few examples here. Here's one of them. And we'll auto-populate the asset into the host group. So you can see here, there's a list of IPs. So if a new machine is connected and it's not being scanned, it'll automatically show up in this host group. The advantage of doing this is the team that looks after Qualys now has visibility into which machines touch the storage. But in addition to that, we've pre-configured a schedule for scanning, which ensures that the hosts that touch your critical information are scanned on a regular basis. So we'll take a look at the schedules. And we default to daily. You can, of course, edit this, but we automatically attach this schedule to scan that host group. So here we can see that this is the daily schedule. And the target is the host group that we created. So this automates ensuring that every machine that's touching your data gets a scan. That scanned data gets pulled in on a daily basis into Data Attack Surface Manager and factored into the risk scoring and exposures. Then we go to scan ports. You can create a scan report, and this allows us to select just the host group, which narrows the report to only the machines in the data attack surface. So now you can report on specifically which machines over time and how that's improving over time. You can see here is the asset group, and I could just pick the asset group like that, run the report, and now I get a report on a regular basis as to how I'm doing in remediating my high risk hosts. That's it. Pretty simple, automates the entire process and makes the vulnerability scanner data attack surface aware. Thanks for watching.